What's up, y'all? Good morning. It is another beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. And I just finished working out, as you see. It was a struggle getting up to come out here this morning. Again. But no pain, no gain, right? Let me tell y'all something. You know, I wasn't going to do it. I wasn't going to fool with it, but I got on the scale and I said, let me see how much I weigh. First, I want to say too, excuse the background. You have the lawnmower going, my neighbor next door, and then if you see my husband in the background, he's fixing my nephew's go-kart. So sorry for all of that distractions, but it's life. That's what we do. We're outside, we're making it happen. But anyway, got on the scale yesterday and it said 200 pounds. I just don't know what happened. Yeah, gotta do something about that. I could feel it. I could feel it all over when I'm walking, anything around the house. I could feel it, and that's not good. It's really not. I have never been that big in my life, besides when I was pregnant with my daughter. But when I had her, I think it was 198. Like, this is ridiculous. But no need to mope about it, because either I'm going to make the change or I'm just going to sit in it. And I'm not about to sit in it. I'm tired of sitting in it. So, again, I got up this morning, didn't want to do it. My husband got me out of bed to do it, so I'm out here, worked out, got some strength training in as well as some cardio, so I'm glad about that. And maybe this evening I'll probably do maybe walk. I'm not sure. I need to do some kind of other exercise as well, but I know we're going to be working on food truck. We also help build on food trucks as well as our own, so we'll be working on that as well. But yeah, today I'm out here. I went inside and went ahead and put in some ingredients for me a protein shake. I just have my like my blueberry mix, like the video I posted, the last video when I added the sea moss gel. I did the same thing today, but this time I added I don't know if I added my protein powder, but I added my Orgain protein powder, which I love if you've been following me. So I already started blending it some, just to make sure I had enough liquids, because I didn't want to go back in the house since I'm sitting out here for a little bit. So I just wanted to blend it with y'all, and just to show you guys, like, BlendJet so convenient. That's why I love it. And I put it in the 32 ounce because I want a lot, and if my husband wants some too. Blend, blend, blend. And I brought my cup to pour it in. I'll save him some. This made about maybe 24 ounces. Yeah, we can make 32. I'm gonna give him one more blend. Anyway, today, like I said, I still will be working out, being busy, helping my husband with the food truck. So as long as I'm being busy, I feel like that's good. And being with the kids, my 9-year-old is busy enough. So let's pour some in here. Ooh, look at that. I'll save him a little bit. All right. But good. Anyway, you guys, this is gonna be it. Thank you for watching me work out outside. I'll be doing plenty more. Excuse me. You like how the cup is turned blue? But I'll be doing plenty more workouts outside. Enjoying the spring weather. It's beautiful out here. In the morning time, it's like cool. I love the morning time. So get out here and move. not sit down and lollygag. And my food choices as well too. I need to do better. I know better. I need to do better. And I'm not doing real. I wasn't doing real good at that, to be honest. But it's time to make a change. Because if not, think about my health. You know, I want to be around for my kids, my husband. So I need to do better. Anyway, I'm about to drink this. It's so good, y'all. If y'all haven't tried that Orgain protein powder that I always talk about, please give it a try. And this is the vanilla. The chocolate is good as well, but this is the vanilla, and it's so good. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one.